Hello, it's Ringling. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform learning series for Android engineers. In this video, we'll be learning about the architecture overview of the native UI version of the official tutorial. Even when developing an actual app, it's generally a good idea to follow a similar structure to this tutorial. The architecture of this tutorial follows the common model ViewModel pattern in Android. Let's start by examining the model layer. And the model layer is where the core processing logic of the app is implemented. In this tutorial, the model layer is implemented in Kotlin Multiplatform within the shared module. This model layer is also shared with iOS. In the tutorial example, the model layer includes the RocketComponent. RocketComponent retrieves data via HTTP requests and passes a string containing Rocket data to the ViewModel. Next, let's look at the ViewModel and view layers for Android. The view literally handles the input and output of the user interface. The ViewModel is responsible for maintaining the state for rendering the view and converting input received from the view into an appropriate format to pass to the model. View and ViewModel are implemented within Android app. And this is an Android-specific implementation. In the tutorial example, the ViewModel includes the string received from the RocketComponent and stores it as a list of strings to be displayed on the screen named greeting list. Whenever there's a change in the value of greeting list, the view is notified and the screen is redrawn. This mechanism of observing and notifying changes in values is achieved using a mechanism called state flow. For iOS, the data flow follows the same pattern as Android. In iOS, the ViewModel also stores the list of strings to be displayed on the screen named greeting list, including the string received from the RocketComponent. Whenever there is a change in greeting list, the screen is redrawn using the Combine framework. We've covered the model ViewModel structure of the tutorial. Let's continue learning to develop while being mindful of the responsibilities of each layer when building actual apps. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more Kotlin multi-platform content